So now let's see how we can work around with the quick explode feature inside of Blender. So here you can see that I have a cube, and if you want to apply the quick explode feature, then you can go around over here onto object, and then you can go around into quick effects, and over here you can see quick explode is an option. So once you click on quick explode, what happens is that the quick explode is added in, and you can press the play button right here, and you can see that it exploded. If you want the explosion to be slower, you can go around into the end frame and type in 100 so that the animation is 100 frames long right here. You can see that now it is slower. You can also increase out the outward velocity right here. Let's say, for example, you want to do something like 2, so you want to make it twice, then you can see that the velocity is higher, just like that. You can go around with the duration, the start frame, the end frame, and so forth according to how you like it. And that is how you can work around with the quick explode parameter right here. But what I want to do is I actually want to work around with a much more detailed model. So I'm just going to go around and press Shift A on my keyboard, and I'm going to go around add in a cube. And in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to press tab, and then I'm going to subdivide this and make it much more detailed right here. Maybe I want to smooth this out as well, just like this. And there you go. You can work around with the fractal, and there you go. So this is what I have now. So I'm just going to go around and then save the smooth as well. So this kind of looks like a rock. And now let's apply the quick explode to this one, as it'll be much more detailed now. So to do that, I'm going to go to object right here, quick effects, and then quick explode. And you can see that it is much more detailed than the previous one right here. And you can go around right here, and then you can work around with the parameters over here as well. So I'm just going to go around right here. So the parameter that you see here will only be there once you add in. So I'm just going to go around over here, quick explode right here. So it's already there. So let me just press Ctrl Z a few times right here. And then I'm going to go around, add in quick explode. So you can go around, change around the duration right here, change around the start frame right here. So let me just go around onto 0 right here. End frame will be 60. And amount of pieces, you can simply increase that out or decrease that out, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around, and let's say I want to have 200 pieces right here, press play, and there you go. So that is what you have, as you can see right here. So the explode feature is there, and there you go. There's 200 pieces flying all around, just like that. And that is how you can work around with the explode option inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.